Hello, this is Alison's Crafty Creations. Well, Ali to my friends. I'm doing a video just showing you what the Sizzix Big Shot works like now it's been repaired. I should have done that on the end of the last one. Right, over here, I've picked just some random embossing folders out. Some bits of scrap card, and we're going to spritz these with a little bit of water and put them in the machine, and we'll see what they turn out like. And we've also got, right, first we're going to do this little butterfly because I think it's cute, and I'm going to use a multicoloured one so I don't have to do anything fancy with it later. Now these are only 2D embossing folders, so you won't get like a miracle with the 3D ones. But anyway, this is my little bottle and I'm going to spritz it. Now it's a fine line between too much and not enough, so I'll give that a little shake. Turn it over. Give it a little rub. There we go. And now put it in here. And over to the Sizzix we go. I'm going to put this on here and put my top folder on. And here we go. Have a look. And there we go. Isn't that pretty? And obviously I'll just trim the bottom off and flatten it a bit. But I think that looks really cute in the back. I mean, you could have it either way, to be honest. But yeah, let me know what you think. Right, now we'll spritz number 2. Now this can be, it's got a lovely shine on that side and that side. So you can use it in both sides. It's one of my favourite papers, this. I don't think much of the water's going to go through on that one. And we'll whiz through these really quickly, and hopefully I won't bore you too much. Let's have a look. Do you know, I might put it that side and see what it turns out like, because we've got quite a few coloured ones. There we go. Right, seems we're doing a few of these. I'm getting my husband to do the donkey work. There we go. I guess I have to let you see what this one looks like. Let's have a look. Want to grab the camera? Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's got a gorgeous glow. It's sort of like a, like a mother of pearl. I don't know if you can see. And even that side looks cute. But yeah, that is gorgeous. So on to the next one. Okay, we'll get these ones spritzed really quickly. Oh, I think I've put a bit much on that one. Not to worry. This new bottle I've got with the water in comes out a little bit fast. So there we go. Okay, so back onto the Sizzix with these three. and then we'll do a roundup of what they all look like. Right, they're all done now. So we'll do a big recap. This is the one I've already showed you. Very pretty colours. And bearing in mind how old this machine is, I think it's doing great myself. There's that one. Nice colours. And this is another coloured one. Nice bright colours, and look at the shape, and you know, it's worked brilliant. I love it. And this one, because I love peacock feathers. And look at the pattern in that. How gorgeous is that? Look at this side. It's got that nice glisten again. That is beautiful. I really like it. Oh, I've got one more. And who doesn't like love hearts? Multicoloured ones. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the detail on there. So I can say it's certainly a win for my little old Sizzix. I'm really happy. It's doing its job. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.